Hi there, my name's Jason Williams, and this is a follow-up video on building the seat for the scooter. As you can see here, I've got the scooter so far. I'm enjoying it, but I'll have to show you what I've got here and show you a couple of things. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. I'll show you. Right, here's the scooter in all its glory. My shadows, my goodness, the sunlight is out of control. Anyway, either way, that's the scooter, the seat, and I'm currently, I've got a backpack with me that I'm carrying my camera gear and some other bits and pieces in. But as far as this goes, I am really enjoying the seat. Like, this is nuts. I did, you might remember the old seat I had. It was an antique one. It was horrendous. I've got this one on here now. It was $20 Kmart seat, and it's way more comfortable. Everything's holding up. It's doing quite well. I've done quite a few Ks, probably 50 or 60 odd kilometers on it at the moment. And yeah, and then and even up here, I've got a mount here for my camera, and that's where I'll put the camera, and I'll go for a ride in a minute. As you see, it moves along. This scooter actually does 25 k's an hour, and before, when I was standing, 25 felt way too fast, whereas now that there's a seat on the scooter, it is fine. I have no problems with it. I feel so much more comfortable and safer on the scooter. Coming up to a road. That's it. Across the road. Certainly made the scooter so much more pleasurable to ride on. I mean, normally I only do, what am I doing, 18 k's an hour, 17, sort of, don't like going too fast, but hey. Crossing the road again, another road, another one on the road. Oh, it goes to a track. I think I'll have to bail on that. Up this way, see where this goes. Quite nice. Cruising along. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Alright, well, that's pretty much it for this. It's a lot of fun riding around on this. That's the scooter there. What didn't I mention? Oh, I was thinking I have to make a foot peg for my feet, because I thought that, you know, that's probably something that's going to be a bit of a problem. But no, it's fine. I did lower the seat quite a bit, about 70 mil. Out of the 100 that I had there, I had probably 75 mil lower or 70 mil, and yeah, it seems to very comfortable and a lot of fun and surprisingly quick getting around. Yeah, I was excited to make this video. I was as in not excited so much, but yeah, no, I was. It was a lot of fun, and I want to say thank you very much for watching, and I will aspire to see you in the next one. Cheers.